Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Game Pass Ultimate is active, because that grants access to Valorant via EA-like perks. Next, sign into the Xbox app with the same Microsoft account you use for Windows. Once done, install the Xbox app and Riot Vanguard. Valorant requires Vanguard to run. Make sure you link or create a Riot Games account now and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents account conflicts when redeeming access and keeps progress synced between systems. You should open the Xbox app, search for Valorant, and hit install. This uses your Game Pass entitlement. As it downloads, sign into the Riot Games account you prepared. Linking is the critical how. The Xbox app will pass entitlement to Riot servers. Once the client prompts for Vanguard installation, approve it. Make sure to let the launcher verify game files and apply updates. This prevents mismatched versions that block agent access. If storage is low, move the install to a larger drive before continuing. You now launch Valorant and log into the Riot account you linked. This is where Game Pass entitlement registers so agent progress appears. To get all agents, progress through missions and the Battle Pass, or use Valorant points to purchase character unlocks. Game Pass gives access, but not every paid unlock automatically. If you encounter login or entitlement errors, reboot the PC, reopen the Xbox app, and relink the accounts. If problems persist, reinstall Riot Vanguard, because driver-level blocks often...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.